using stress balls. All right, so we've got glue, we've got some bowls, that's right.
We got some spoons to mix it in.
Yep.
We got some stockings.
That's right, we're gonna put the stress balls in stockings. And how are we filling the balloons?
We take a cup, like a big water bottle, and then we cut only the top and then put a balloon on it. Yeah.
Very cool, and the instructions on how to do that will appear later on in the video. All right, who's ready to get started?
Me!
All right, the supplies and parts will be listed in the description below. All right, first we're gonna start by taking your glue and emptying them into the bowl.
Whoa, so amazing. Go in, more glue. Can't stay in there forever. You have to go in slime. Like vomit.
Make sure it's pouring in the bowl. Did we empty them?
Yeah, mine, I think it's empty. Come on. I think it's empty.
All right,
Oh.
all right. Turn it over, turn it over. Perfect. All right, next we're gonna take a spoonful of borax.
Dun, dun.
And again, the ingredients or parts will be listed in the description below. So you're just gonna take one spoonful and put it into your glue and start mixing. There you are. So one spoonful for you. Okay, Vidya, you wanna put a spoonful in yours? Take your spoon, Div. Take your spoon, Divvy.
Then after we
Good job.
done pouring the borax,
Push your board.
the bowl. Once we're done pouring the borax, we're gonna start mixing. I'm in the mood.
Keep massaging it.
Oh, magic!
Jessica. All right. So we're back and we're now filling our balloons with our slime. That's right.
Dun, dun.
Let's see, Div, what are you doing?
I'm filling my balloon up with the slime that's in here.
Awesome. All right, well, keep pushing it in, honey.
I'm trying, but this is very magical.
It's magical slime.
Yes.
Okay, keep stuffing it in there. All right, girls. We had to stuff our balloons with our slime. How does it feel?
Feels squishy.
When all of the macaroons are doing this with their mommies and daddies is to use your finger when stuffing the balloon versus a spoon because Divya's balloon broke, so we had to replace that. So it's squishy, am I correct, girls?
Yeah.
All right, how squishy is it?
A little bit squishy, but we don't want to. Mine was 100% very squishy.
Oh, okay.
Mine is a little bit squishy because my slime was a little bit dry, so it's not going to be as squishy as my sister's.
So we're gonna put it in the fishnet stockings. So put it in there.
It's very easy because it's easy for me. You know that. Because I don't want to be a bad girl.
Did you get it in?
I did.
Let's see. Okay, let's tie it. Did you get it in, Div?
Yeah.
All right, let's tie it up. Let's see, Div.
Yeah.
What about you, Vidya? Wow, pretty cool. So now when you guys are stressed out, you can squeeze those. Hopefully you don't throw them at each other, but hey.
Let's see if it can bounce. Yeah, it can bounce.
Let's see. Oh, wow. Bounce it. Nice. All right, thanks for watching, Macaroons. Hope you enjoyed this video. We made stress balls today. And the directions and ingredients will be listed in the comments down below. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.